Welcome to Bike World, your hub for the latest automotive power and innovation. Today, we explore the all-new 2025 Lamborghini Aventador, a masterpiece that redefines the meaning of speed, design, and performance. Lamborghini has once again raised the bar for what a true supercar can be: bold, intelligent, and breathtakingly fast. Design and aerodynamics. The 2025 Aventador introduces a sharper and more futuristic design language inspired by aerospace engineering. Its sculpted carbon fiber body, aggressive front splitter, and active aerodynamic system provide both beauty and function. Every curve is designed to cut through the air with precision, improving downforce and stability even at extreme speeds. The signature scissor doors remain, reminding us that the Aventador is not just a car, it's a statement. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Aventador lies a new hybrid V12 powertrain, combining Lamborghini's legendary naturally aspirated engine with electric technology. Together, they produce an astonishing over 1,000 horsepower, enabling acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds. With advanced torque vectoring and lightweight construction, the Aventador delivers unmatched handling and responsiveness on both the road and the track. Interior and technology. Inside, the 2025 Aventador is a fusion of luxury and innovation. The cockpit features high-quality Alcantara, digital displays, and customizable ambient lighting. Lamborghini's latest infotainment system offers real-time performance data, navigation, and connectivity options designed for both comfort and control. The driver-focused layout ensures that every element feels purposeful and exhilarating. Legacy and conclusion. The 2025 Lamborghini Aventador isn't just another upgrade, it's the evolution of a legend. It represents Lamborghini's transition into a new era of electrified supercars without losing its signature raw spirit. From design to performance, every detail embodies perfection. This is more than a machine, it's the future of performance. Stay tuned with Bike World for more updates, reviews, and automotive innovations from around the globe.